Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to Ambar Ilham channel, the channel that specifically discuss Word, Excel, and Google Sheet. Today I'm going to discuss about how to correct PO number which has different format. The requirement for this formula is we should have the same length format for PO number. On this case, I have 8-digit format for the PO number. We will use the combination between the formula of if, len, and left. We can use the formula left, mid, or right. It depends on what you preference. I prefer the formula left on this case. What the formula left, mid, and right for? That to change the PO number from the number to text number. In here we can see everything in here is a text number, but in here we have the combination between the text number and the number. Some of them has no zero toward the number here, before the number here. So we have to standardize first. Let me start if len. Len is to indicate the digit number. Len of this text before equals 1, then you should add 0 before the number as many as 7-digit number, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, and then the cell before itself. If len before has 2-digit number, you should add 6-digit number 0 before the number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Before has 3 plus 5, so 5-digit number here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And sorry, I forgot to add and formula here. And before itself, and before itself. If again len before equals 4, then 1, 2, 3, 4, and before. If again len before equals 5, 1, 2, 3, and before itself. If again len before equals 6, 0, 0, and then cell before itself. If len before equals 7, then 0, and the cell before itself. Check the formula. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then the last is the function left before, and then use 8-digit number here. Just you can see the correction here, the typo in your formula, and try to correct it to just press enter because we accept the correction to close the bracket. There are many brackets in here. So here we go. Tada! We have 8-digit numbers PO in here. The same digit number with the resource number, the PO customer here, and it's the invoice. Then the part number, we can use the index and match function here. next, and the part number here, the part number match with look at value is here, look at value, and the reference cell is here to here, and then 0 close bracket twice. So we can see B4 and 2B23 here. This is the PO customer reference here. So we will look up the function. We move to the right. We will change to C, D, and E. So we will not the number, column number B, C, or D here, but we will lock the column number from B4 to B23 here. So we only lock the 4 until 23 here. Match reference to E4 here. When we drag to the right here, we don't want it move, so we lock the A, and if we drag down here, we want it change to 5, 6, 7, so we will not lock the 4 number here. And for PO customer reference to here, this is PO customer. If we drag to the right, we want the reference still stay to E4 to A23, so we will lock both of column and rows in here. Lock and lock here. Then press enter. We drag down and we drag to the right here. It's done. That's all for today. How to correct PO number which has different format. Thank you for watching. See you again in the next video. If you have any question regarding to this video or another problem in Word, Excel, and Google Sheet, please write the comment below. Thank you. See you again in our next video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.